Is enough being done to protect the mental health and well-being of our police officers? Last Saturday, a warrant officer shot himself outside a Cape Town church while a funeral was being held for a fellow officer. The officer survived the shooting. The incident has highlighted mental health challenges facing our men and women in blue. Monique Mortlock-Malgas tells us the story.
Between April 2020 and March 2021, 30 police officers died by suicide. This number climbed to 37 between April 2021 and January 2022. One community activist who works closely with SAPS members believes the real figure is much, much higher.
The figure that I have of officers that I've dealt with and families that have reached out to me is 93.
Last month, the constable in Ashton shot 2 officers, killing one before turning the gun on himself. In August, another young officer committed suicide while on duty in Cape Town.
His family got no support from SAPS. They did not go and visit the family and offer them trauma counseling. Instead, what they did, they withheld information that could have assisted the family in emotionally getting closure as to why their son did this.
Last week, a warrant officer and bodyguard to Community Safety MEC Regan Allen shot himself but survived. These incidents come as no surprise to those familiar with the enormous pressure that officers have to face.
You know, the job needs to go on and it needs to, but I think we need to realize that there is a problem. Why did it happen? Why is it that I found a member that needed to take that drastic measures? Something is not right then. So it might have been a personal issue, yes, but if you're not going to go into it, you're not going to know. It might be a victimization issue at the station.
The Employee Health and Wellness Program offers psychological services to SAPS members and families. But experts, activists and those in the police service argue this is inadequate.
The public service system is not enough. I do believe that it can be made better so that when you see an advertisement on the Sunday newspaper, it's not like, it doesn't look like a joke that anyone would want to be paid 320,000 rand per annum to work as a psychologist in the police force, and you think you can attract the workforce. Let us take it seriously.
Earlier this year, Police Minister Becky Cele said interventions were being put in place to help officers. The comments follow a rise in suicides over the last 2 years. Monique Mortlock-Malgas, Cape Town.